Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make portrait and landscape pages apply on the same Word document. So if you want to intermix both portrait and landscape orientation pages, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So for example, let's say page 1 up here, we want to make portrait, and then page 2, we want to have a landscape orientation. All you have to do is select the Layout tab up at the top, and then in the ribbon bar, select Orientation, and then select where it says Page Setup and the little expand arrow where it says Page Setup. Go ahead and left click on this little arrow in the corner of this window here. So go ahead and left click on that, and select the orientation of the page that you want going forward. So let's say it's going to be a landscape view. And underneath Preview, where it says Apply To, click on the drop down, and you can select this point forward, and then you can select OK, and you can see that the portrait is for the first page, and then it's going to be landscape view from here on out. Now, a way to go back to portrait view, let's say the page number 3, you want to make it portrait view again. You can select the page setup little box in the bottom of the corner here versus page setup. Now this is page setup, and you know there's a little corner icon that expands here as well. Select that. In orientation, we're going to select portrait, and where it says apply to, I'm going to click the drop down, and then I'm going to select this point forward, and then I'm going to select OK. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward. You can see it looks like we did create another page in the process earlier on. I must have went down a little bit too far, but the exact same point remains. You can see it was portrait view, and then we have landscape, and then it goes back to portrait. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.